See yourself waking up every day knowing that your words, your insights, and your ability to guide others can create financial freedom for you. That's the power of being a life coach. But here's the problem: most life coaches struggle to make money. They pour their heart into helping others but find themselves stuck, unable to build a sustainable income. Today, I'll show you exactly how to turn your passion for coaching into a profitable business. We'll cover the key strategies successful life coaches use to attract clients, scale their income, and create financial stability, all while doing what they love. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to making real money as a life coach. The truth is, being a great coach isn't enough. You can have all the skills in the world, but if you don't know how to position yourself, market your expertise, and create multiple income streams, you'll struggle. Many life coaches find themselves overwhelmed, underpaid, and questioning if they made the right choice. They attract clients who don't want to pay, they charge way too little, or worse, they don't get clients at all. But the good news? There's a system that works. And today, I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Let's dive in. The growing demand for life coaching. Life coaching is not just a trend, it's a booming industry. People are more stressed, more uncertain, and more in need of guidance than ever before. And they are willing to pay for it. The global coaching industry is valued at over $2.85 billion, and it's growing fast. But here's the mistake most new coaches make. They assume they can just put up a website and people will magically find them. That doesn't happen. Success in this field requires strategy. You need to position yourself in a way that makes people want to invest in your services. That's exactly what we'll break down next. Finding your niche, the key to standing out. If you try to be a life coach for everyone, you'll end up attracting no one. The secret? Find your niche. A niche helps you stand out in a crowded market. Instead of saying, "I help people improve their lives," you could say, "I help executives manage stress," or "I help women build confidence after divorce." The more specific, the better. For example, look at Tony Robbins. He doesn't call himself a general life coach. He focuses on high-performance individuals, business leaders, and those seeking transformation. When you choose a niche, you become the go-to expert in that area. That's when clients start coming to you. Building authority and trust, how to get clients fast. Authority is everything in coaching. If people don't trust you, they won't pay you. One of the fastest ways to build authority is through social proof testimonials, success stories, and client transformations. If you're just starting, offer free sessions in exchange for testimonials. Another powerful strategy? Content. Write articles, post insights on LinkedIn, create short videos. The more you share, the more people see you as an expert. And once they see you as an expert, paying you becomes a no-brainer. High-ticket coaching versus low-ticket offers. What's more profitable? A major mistake new coaches make is charging too little. They sell $50 sessions and wonder why they're struggling. High-ticket coaching charging $1,000, $5,000, or even $10,000 for a program creates sustainable income. Instead of needing 100 clients, you only need 10 to hit 5 figures a month. But what if people can't afford high-ticket coaching? That's where low-ticket offers come in: ebooks, courses, group coaching. A mix of both gives you stability and multiple income streams. Monetizing beyond coaching sessions, passive income streams. Here's the thing, if your only source of income is one-on-one coaching, you're trapped. Your income is limited by your time. Successful coaches create passive income streams. Courses. Package your knowledge into an online course. Membership sites. Monthly subscriptions for exclusive content. Books and ebooks. A great way to attract new clients. Speaking engagements. Get paid to share your expertise. These revenue streams allow you to make money even when you're not coaching. Marketing strategies that actually work for life coaches. You might be the best coach in the world, but if no one knows you exist, you won't make money. Focus on marketing that actually works. Content marketing. Post valuable insights on Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn. Lead magnets. offer free PDFs or mini courses to collect emails. Referral networks, build partnerships with therapists, HR professionals, and business leaders. Most coaches waste money on ads before they even have a proven system. Don't fall into that trap. Organic growth is key in the beginning. The mindset shift, overcoming self-doubt, and charging what you're worth. Many life coaches struggle with confidence. They feel guilty charging premium prices. But here's the truth: if you don't value yourself, either will your clients. Think about it. Would you trust a $10,000 surgeon more than a $200 one? Of course. Pricing affects perception. When you charge premium prices, people see you as more valuable. Start with this mindset: you are not selling coaching. You are selling transformation. People aren't paying for sessions, they're paying for results. Charge accordingly. Automation and scaling, turning coaching into a business, not just a job. At some point, you have to scale. Otherwise, you'll always be trading time for money. Automate processes like client onboarding, emails, and scheduling. Hire a virtual assistant. Create self-paced courses. Transition from one-on-one coaching to group programs. Scaling is how you go from a $5,000 per month coach to a $50,000 per month business owner. Here's the bottom line: life coaching can be highly profitable, but only if you treat it like a business. Every day you hesitate is a day you could be building your brand, attracting high-paying clients, and creating financial freedom. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Remember, you're not just a coach. You're a leader, a mentor, and an entrepreneur. Act like one. If you found this valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Let me know which strategy you'll implement first. And don't leave yet. YouTube has picked the perfect next video for you. It's on screen right now. Click and keep leveling up your financial future.